Let's get it on.
What's going on, guys? It's Ani Bass. Thank you for tuning into the channel. If you're new here, welcome. So today is going to be a little bit different. I got a subwoofer from a surround sound setup that I had. It's a 6x5, but it was also a Sony, so I'm not going to knock it. It was actually a really good subwoofer, but I kind of wanted to see and test it out and see how well it actually performed and see what kind of excursion we can possibly get out of it and potentially maybe blow it. So let's go ahead and get it.
Hear the music. Wow.
You guys seeing this? That's crazy. And it's pushing. It's crazy. I'm not even hating on it. I can't. Look at this. Oh my goodness. It makes me kind of wonder why I even replaced it. Wow. Alright, so far, guys, I was not expecting that. I wasn't expecting this. Like, I thought it was just going to be like just a little bit. I didn't think it was going to come up like that. So it does have excursion. It's really, really good excursion. Especially for this thing to be over, my guess, maybe 20 years. I guess you just don't make subwoofers, you know, like they used to, man. Like, it's doing great. But I'm going to put it through this test, and it's going to be the make it or break it test, and I don't know if it's going to survive that. But if it blows up, we get good footage. So if it doesn't, It's a good subwoofer, I guess. I don't know. Let's get it. All right, this is full tilt. There it goes. So the make it or break it test did not survive that at all. Oh yeah, it's crunchy. Yeah, it is nothing left in that. It killed it within like 20 seconds. You know, with being really surprised here, I didn't see not one bit of smoke. It's not even hot. And I've been playing around with it before I even turned this video on. That's crazy. Well, guys, this is it. It did great, honestly. Like you've seen in the video, it was doing really good. But I hit it with that low 25 hertz, and it literally killed it. So maybe we'll find more subs like this to actually blow. I think it'd be actually pretty fun. So with that being said, guys, it's I Need Bass signing out. Peace.
Let's get it on.